Hi Celila, how are you doing? So in these days I check the answers for your questions and I report to you now. So basically first I will go with these questions. So first, photos specifications and FOB quotation. I will show you later. And all of the okay, you will receive the factory information. Okay, I compare the information here, and all of the suppliers. From my experience, I think they are manufacturer, and I asked them whether they are a trading company or a factory. All of these, the answers are positive. And lead time were in the Excel file, and they can add your private label. The shipping cost I calculate for the sample by Express, and for trial order I will show you later. For this I answered you before. So we go into the details. So this is the information. We go one. I explain one by one. So first, this company and all of the suppliers, you will receive a folder, shared folder like this, and in each folder there will be a quotation, and some factory they send me extra photos, so you will also see the folder of the photos. So I explain the first one to show an example. This is the size and the material, and all of the material is the same specification, and this is the cost. For MOQ, let me explain, because I talked with different factories. They said this 12 millimeter thickness is not a regular one. The regular one is 10 or 15. So with this thickness, different factories they ask around 500 to 1000 for one color. I saw you write mixed color, but they need one color for 500. For the terms I explained, some offer me FOB, some offers EXW. This is lead time for a sample. For the sample, some factory they said they can only provide samples, for example, in 50 millimeter or 10 millimeter, and lead time it is from 10 days to 30 days. The packaging information is the dimensions of the cartons, so we use this to calculate the shipping cost. The price okay, I'm sorry. And some of the price has the private logo cost, and some need to add. So all of the specifications is the same. So we can see the cost. The cheapest one is this one. It is from 1688. This cost has already covered the private logo, and this one is similar. It's also from 1688 with private logo. But these two are EXW cost, and you can see the lead time is quite fast. For FOB cost, you can see these three are FOB cost. It is the cheapest one is 3.8, but they need 500 to 1000. You can start the details here and let me know your feedback on the cost and on the specifications. Next one is okay, and I calculate the shipping cost. For 1688, I need to explain. For example, these two suppliers are from 1688. I write, they send me photos and quotation. I'm not sure whether you can use this link for example. Because I use this link to talk with them. You can see they have many orders, deals. You can see it is around 5,000 deals for one product. I use this chat to talk with them, and I'm not sure whether it is good for you, but they don't use emails and they can only speak Chinese. The next one is I calculate the shipping cost. For example, I show you how to use this chart. This is the size for the cartoon because the yoga mat is quite big. It is light, so we use dimension weight for the DHL Express, and it is around 5 kg. So this is the estimated shipping cost for one sample. Because it is estimation for, I'm not sure whether it is, I mean, the size of the carton may differ from this, so the shipping cost will be, could be different. For a trial order, I calculate for 500 pieces mat, and it is this cubic meter. It is around 11 cubic meter. So you can see it is a very big product. If we use the weight, I mean dimension weight, it is over 2 tons. So I think we can only use sea shipping. For air shipping, it is not reasonable. For sea shipping, the cost is around $20 per cubic meter, so it is around 220 for this shipment, and it is based on from Shenzhen port to Marseille port. So if you need a door-to-door service, and the cost could be higher. This is my report. Please let me know your feedback. Thank you. Bye-bye.